Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to take off parent email on Roblox. Firstly, we have to open up the website of Roblox, make sure that you're logged in. Then go to the settings menu, and then under the account information tab, you will find that your parent email address is written in this position. The reason you cannot edit has to be that your birthday has been set to something that is not over 13 years. So in order to change or edit your parental email, you need to have an age of at least more than 13 years. To do that, we'll need to go to the help page of Roblox. Then in the search panel, we'll type, how do I change my age? Now go to the first page. From here, you need to click on contact support here. Now you need to fill up some information in here. So you'll input your username, your first name, and your email address should be the parental email address that has been associated with your account. The confirmed email address should be that also. Then you'll select the platform you're playing on, and after that, from the health category, you'll select age-based settings and accounts with parental privileges. Now click on change child age, and under description you'll be saying, hello, I accidentally inputted the wrong age for my child. I would like to change it to the actual age. Then thank you at the end. And after that, after 1 or 2 days, Roblox will contact you. Then you can change your date of birth, as well as you can change the parental email that is associated with your ID. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.